White House trade advisor Peter Navarro defended President Donald Trump's commitment to American farmers on Sunday, as some farmers say the U.S. trade war with China directly hurts them. "This president has the backs of farmers," Navarro told CNN's Jake Tapper on State of the Union. He said, "A lot of the money the U.S. is taking in from tariffs is going right to the farmers. American farmers are showing nervousness about the U.S.-China trade war, including postponing buying tractors and other equipment." Deere, the agricultural equipment company, reported earnings and sales that missed Wall Street forecasts Friday. Overall revenue fell 3% from a year ago. The results reflected the high degree of uncertainty that continues to overshadow the agricultural sector, said Samuel Allen, Deere's CEO, in a statement. The Trump administration is expected to begin paying $14.5 billion to farmers hurt by the U.S.-China trade war by the end of August. The second round of aid the administration will pay out as negotiations with Beijing continue past the one-year mark. Farmers, hit hard by China's retaliatory tariffs put on a range of commodities including soybeans, corn and wheat, received about $10 billion in aid last year. Gary Werbisch, the president of the Minnesota Farmers Union, recently told CNN, "Words and Twitters and tweets that doesn't pay the farmers' bills. That doesn't solve the problem we're dealing with. This one's self-inflicted by our president, and we definitely agreed with him at the beginning, but it doesn't appear that there's a plan B," Werbisch said. Lindsey Griner, the president of the Iowa Soybean Association, has said that government subsidies are a poor remedy for trade. Short-term, stair-step subsidies are a poor remedy for trade. They stimulate production but not sales and therefore do little to undo the long-term logjam caused by not selling soybeans to destinations like China, the world's #1 customer, Griner said in a statement in May. Navarro was adamant on State of the Union Sunday, telling Tapper that farmers are behind this president. And Navarro insisted the tariffs are not hurting anybody in the U.S., they're hurting China, he said. Democratic presidential candidate Pete Buttigieg weighed in on the U.S.-China trade war, telling Tapper in an exclusive interview Sunday that American farmers are getting killed. The South Bend, Indiana, mayor said he just spoke to farmers in Iowa who supported the president who are now asking the question, how much longer are we supposed to take one for the team? He said Trump has failed to deliver a deal, and in the meantime, we're paying the costs of these tariffs. Buttigieg said, there is clearly no strategy for the trade war that will benefit American farmers and consumers. The comments from Navarro and Buttigieg come as fears of a brewing global recession were renewed last week. 5 of the world's biggest economies are now at risk of a recession, and a week of whiplash on Wall Street spiked fears the U.S. economy could be dragged down to. The U.S. economy, for now, remains on solid ground. Since Trump has taken office, the stock market has reached record highs and unemployment has stayed at a historic low. But any number of factors could set off a U.S. downturn, including Trump's trade policy, a weakening global economy, the waning effects of the 2017 tax cuts, or even a risk of deflation. Trump tweeted Sunday afternoon about negotiating trade deals with China, writing the country is poised for big growth after trade deals are completed. Import prices down, China eating tariffs, helping targeted farmers from big tariff money coming in, Trump wrote. CNN's Donna Borak, Katie Lobosco and Vanessa Yurkevich contributed to this report.